I am sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. What is Ho'oponopono? Ho'oponopono is a Hawaiian word that means to correct an error or to make amends, to make something right. It is a very powerful spiritual process of cleansing, of purifying, of forgiveness, reconciliation, and transmutation that brings about a fundamental shift in our identity. And this in turn produces a profound transformation in the way we see ourselves and how we relate to the world around us. So in essence, the Ho'oponopono practice is to release the inner pressure of negative emotions and to problem solve. And it does this through a total rebalancing of our bodies, our minds, and our emotions. At its heart, Ho'oponopono teaches us the importance of taking 100% responsibility for our lives. My life is my doing, and nowhere in the teachings of Ho'oponopono does it make any exception to that we are the creators. In a very literal sense, we are the creators of our experience. Since our experience is being created and generated from within, and the very source of creation is within our very own selves, then our problems don't actually exist out there in the world. The outer world is an expression of an inner condition. Rather, what we perceive to be problems are actually shaped and dictated by the data, the wounded memories, the limiting beliefs that recycle compulsively as worry, anger, pain, sadness, and dis-ease. So it's never others or situations that upset us, but it's our attitudes influenced by the programming that creates the perception of problems. Dr. Ihaleakala offers us a very thought-provoking insight when he asks, have you ever noticed when there is a problem you're there? Now, through self-inquiry, self-contemplation, and reflection, we come to acknowledge the role we play in the problems that we experience. Now, this is good news because we can do something about it. We can clean, we can let go out of self-compassion, we can self-correct, and we can redirect our focus. We don't have to stay angry for 20 years. The practice of Ho'oponopono brings to awareness that all of our health, financial, and relationship problems stem from the belief that we are separate from divinity, from love, abundance, and all that is good. The goal of Ho'oponopono is to become free and clear of the data, what is referred to as zero. Cleaning is about observing our thoughts without becoming entangled and lost in them. Meditation is not about controlling our thoughts. It's about not letting our thoughts control us by letting go of the resistance. Once we can see that the root of our problems resides within us, we can then accept the power of correction by taking responsibility for letting go of this data. We let go out of self-compassion, self-awareness, self-love, and wisdom. Wisdom helps us to see that what we judge, we retain, and what we resist persists. When we say, I love you, we are calling upon the infinite resource of love and creativity within us to transmute the emotional charges into light and peace. Remember always that the truth, the beauty, and the brilliance of who we are requires no fixing or improvement. It's only the memories replaying as suffering that obscures this truth. And by saying I'm sorry, we are acknowledging our responsibility for the data, and we assume that responsibility by letting go of the resistance. Please forgive me for all my incorrect perceptions. I love you. Thank you for the wisdom and the insight. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to become free and clear right here and right now.